Hello everyone, this is Eddie from CRWS of Hong Kong. Here is a AGM 063 M4 shorty gas blowback. Currently there are 3 other different models. You can see on the package here. We are presenting this one, and you got the other 2 versions here, which is called 064 and 065. Well, they are very much the same apart from just the front barrel. And this is a full metal construction. It's quite heavy, and it's got all the similar feature to the other standard M4. There's a gas tube inside here, so it's alright. It's not my type of gun. It's too short, and you see this got a need to level difference here, and it features some quite interesting backside here. You can change the size of this hole for this different yard of the target. You can push it down, and you can install the red dots here. It's got a bow lock function. I'm going to test fire it. Full auto. Not enough gas. Okay, thank you.